Hey, this is Danielle and welcome to the free video. As I'm sure most of you know, the market has been a little bit slow and a little bit stagnant, but there is something here that is on the move on that I think is on a verge of a breakout. So, looking at Square, obviously, yes, it does move a little bit in conjunction with Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a good day today, and you can see that Square is up about 5%. Well, what I'm looking at here is that, this could have been the catalyst to really get this stock moving again because you have a daily squeeze. You finally got some positive volume headed in the right direction. You've got higher than average volume and you have a key area of resistance right here. Now, most of the time, I don't like to buy stocks that are up against resistance, but with the way that the market's traded for the past couple of weeks, especially tech has been on the weaker side. I am looking for some upside breakouts, and in Square in particular, if we can break this 230 price point, which it's right there, if we can break it and close up above it, that will signal a really nice rally higher. So number one, I like it to pick up shares. I actually meant to pick up shares in this thing on Friday, but I had a crazy day and I thought, oh, I'll pick them up on Monday. And here we go. So I like it for picking up shares, but I also like it just for trading it in the options market. So for example, one trade that I'm looking at is potentially trading this up into the $250 price point. So you can see that there's a lot of high open interest. You can also see that there's a $24 expected move into July. So looking at what this trade would look like, if you do it right at the money, it's going to be a little bit cheaper. But there's going to be a lot, there's going to be a bigger upside target. So, for two contracts, you're risking about $800 to make about $3,000. If you do it in the money, let's see. Oh, looks like you actually don't have, you'd have to do 220. You can't do 225. That's a bummer. If you do it in the money, it's going to be a lot more expensive and your risk reward isn't going to be as solid because you're going to be risking 1 to 2 instead of, what was the other one? Like 1 to 3, 1 to 4 almost. But because it's in the money, if you do get some volatility, if it does pull back, it'll hold its value a little bit better. So, moral of the story is I'm looking for a potential breakout here. Now, this trade is not valid if we can't get through this area. If you can't get through 230, then that is what is going to tell me that this trade isn't going to work. I'm not going to have a stop all the way down here or anything like that. It's just going to be a function of, all right, if we can't break through it, then it's dead, okay? But we get a breakout. That's the target I'm looking for, 250. As far as the shares, I'd target up to 300 on the shares. So that's about all I have for you tonight. I do want to let you know that I'm having a webinar tomorrow with Mark Chaikin. Mark is absolutely awesome. He's going to be walking through some of his top picks for some small and mid-cap stocks. Stock picking is definitely really critical, especially right now in the overall market. Market's been kind of slow, kind of stagnant. There hasn't been a whole lot going on for options trading, but there definitely is for adding to your portfolio. So if you want to check that out, you can go to my newsletter at 5startrader.com, or you can go to this website right here. It's going to be simplertrading.com/spike. That's SPIKE-AF/ and you can sign up for tomorrow's free webinar at 7 o'clock Central. Hope to see you there.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.